What's happening, guys? Jason here, back again for another YouTube video. We are here in Pattaya today. It's just going to be a very quick video today. The Bangkok and Pattaya vlogs will keep coming, but this is just a very short vlog today. We went to a drone show on Jomtien Beach the other day, which was really nice. It was about a 5 to 10 minute show, I would say, drone show. So I think it was like over 500 drones were in use for the whole show, which was really cool. It was this little event that they had on at the D Varee Hotel in Jomtien Beach over the weekends. I think it was about 3 days. So that was really cool. I got some footage of the drone show now to show you guys. So it's just a short one today, but I hope you guys enjoy this little look at the drone show. And be sure to stay tuned for more videos from Bangkok and Pattaya, guys. So enjoy the drone show.